Hi, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors. We're here to showcase our beautiful Air Dutch single door today. Alright guys, so we're on this beautiful Dutch door today. Let's talk about a couple things on this. So this is a 42 by 96 inch door. So this measures from outside to outside 42 inches and 96 inches from the bottom of the threshold all the way to the top of the threshold. Couple things, this is a black door. We do make this door in different colors if you need to, but we stock it in black. We do make this door in different sizes also, and we do stock them in different colors. As of right now, we only make a single door. Maybe possibly in the future, we can come up with a double door. This door has a kick plate. We do have 4 different Dutch doors. So this one has a kick plate. We have an Air 4 Dutch door, which is glass on the bottom also. We have an Air 5 Dutch door, which is pretty much this, duplicated on the bottom also. And then we have an Air Light, which is all glass Dutch door. So take a look at those things. So if you don't find your size that you need, and that we don't have in stock, maybe you can look into those things, find something else that you like. Couple things. So we came up with this door a while ago, maybe 3 years ago, and always kept fine-tuning and fine-tuning it. So this is our last design so far, and things are always changing. So this is definitely a door that keeps improving and improving as we go along. So we made this little rain gutter thing. So if you do have water hitting it, it won't sit on top of this door, and when you open the door, water used to come in. So we put this rain gutter thing so you can actually divert the water away from the top of the door. All of our doors are 100% made by hand, okay? So you will see little imperfections like in little areas because none of this door, no component of this door is made by a machine, okay? So always remember that, and I'm not trying to say, I'm trying to make excuses on how the door is built, but you will see little tiny imperfections here and there. It is a black door, so like on this door you'll see like a little bit here and there, but it's not that big of a deal, and that's how we make our doors. So we try to be as transparent as possible in everything we do. It is a family business, and we just try to make sure that everybody understands what they're getting. Okay, so this door has this door has Low-E glass on it. It's 5/8 thick. It's got a 1/4 inch glass, 1/4 inch spacer, 1/4 inch glass. It's tempered. It's got the temper bug on the side of it. It's super safe because a lot of people always ask, hey, it's a glass door, how safe is it? It's safer than your window where it's not tempered and it uses skinnier glass and it's on the side of the house. So we always tell customers that, you know, chances of somebody breaking in from the front door is unlikely. So safety is always you got to always think about the side of the house or the back of the house. That's where a lot of break-ins happen. But let me flip this around, show you guys what the other side looks like, and talk about how this Dutch door opens up. All right, so we're on the back side of the Dutch door. Couple things. You notice these little nipples. These are grease fittings or grease nipples. These are made so over time we need to lubricate the hinge. You get an automotive grease gun, put it on there, pump some grease in it, and that way you don't have to remove the door to actually put some grease on the hinge. It's very important. Every couple of years, if it starts sounding like a dungeon door, you'll know you need to put some grease in it. It makes it simpler, it's easier. Some people don't like this. I just tell them, screw it off. You can take it off and not have it on. That's totally fine. Or you can just get a magic marker and paint it black. The reason why we don't paint it, because if you ever use a grease gun, then the paint comes off. And, you know, it's easy. Just get a magic marker and you magic marker that thing if you don't like it, or take it off. We like it because it adds a little bit of a mechanical element to the door, which is, I think it's pretty cool and I love it. But another thing, interior side of the door has the glass push beat, which is made out of aluminum, and it's got a little bevel to it. And that's what locks the glass into the glass, also with hurricane silicone that we use. So it's pretty on there. Let's talk about how the door opens now. Oh, and the design on kick plate, it's the same on interior and exterior side. So, door opens up. You got a little latch here. You hit it. That's going to keep your pets and kids in when you're home, relaxing on a Sunday and cooking and whatever you got to do. But this is how the Dutch door opens up. It has a little swipe on the bottom also. So it keeps a nice airtight on this. And that's the grain gutter I was talking about, that diverts the water away if there's any water that's going to hit the door on sideways rain or whatever. But you know, also on a Dutch door, you probably want to have a good overhang, just like any other door. That's probably very recommended on this. But all the doors are pre-drilled and pre-tapped to accept the lock-in. Also on this side, we have weather seals all around the door, between the Dutch door and all the way at the bottom of the door also. You just lock in place. That's safe. That's a little stainless steel rod that goes in. So it's pretty secure. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys liked it. Cool door, and I'll probably go into a really cool house. I'll see you guys on the next door. Thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed our showcase on the Dutch single door today. If you guys have any questions, leave some comments, or you can call us 844-843-6677, or you can email us at info@pinkysirondoors.com. That's PINKYS irondoors.com.